If you're interested in anything that we have shared that AnnaLee has made, this is how you can get a hold of her. She always has something beautiful and interesting in her basket, made just for you. She is such a wonderful, wonderful creator. As you saw, she made that wonderful fairy for I Would Have It for Fairy Month. Oh my, I hope you loved it too. And the beautiful things we always share, we buy from AnnaLee. She has a beautiful, epic garage sale every month. Please get a hold of her and see what she's selling. You might be amazed. And if you live in the San Bernardino, California area, you can go over and see it all in person before purchasing. Please, she has beautiful, beautiful things if you live in the area. And I have a few friends from Orange County and LA County. Maybe you might want to come over too. It's not that far to drive. It's right off the 10 freeway. Well, see you later. Don't forget, look at how you can get a hold of her. AnnaLee always has something in her basket waiting for you. Good morning to everyone. Just wanted to share with you how AnnaLee had everything so beautifully set up at her home. Isn't it beautiful? The beautiful flower arrangement her daughter got her for Mother's Day, and she's taken such good care of it. It's still beautiful. And here's some more of her beautiful pieces she has. She always has so many beautiful pieces, and everything is so elegant. And this creamer is just beautiful. All the little delicate flowers on it, just perfect, along with a beautiful lace tablecloth. And here is a beautiful teapot, also with roses and color. Everything goes perfect with that flower arrangement, did it not? Oh, I did love it. And of course, her tables are always set with lace tablecloths. Aren't they beautiful? And of course, these beautiful teacups, saucers, and plates. Aren't they beautiful? They were from her grandmother. Oh, yes. Everything is so, so beautiful. I loved each one of these plate pieces, from her teacups to her tea saucers to those beautiful, beautiful gold leaf plates. Are they not beautiful? You can tell they are such high quality and how gorgeous they are. And here is the manufacturers they came from. They are really, really well done. And these are things that are treasures to her. AnnaLee's treasures. Are they not beautiful? And we had so much fun on our Tea Tuesday together. I hoped you had fun watching us. We have some more things we want to share, but I just wanted to share how beautiful she had everything set up for our Tea Tuesday. Didn't she do a beautiful display? It wasn't overdone, it was just perfectly done. I thought it looked great. What did you think? Leave us a comment and let us know. AnnaLee is such a sweet, sweet, kind person, as you can tell. We always have so much fun with her. We're going to try to get together once a month. So please come back and see what we have to share. Well, I hope you enjoyed our day at AnnaLee's home. She does everything so perfectly and beautiful. She is a great hostess, and she was so sweet and generous. Look at the beautiful tea set she had. It was her grandmother's, and she's taking such loving care with it. It must run in the family, wanting to have wonderful teas. The flowers were gorgeous. Everything went together so well. And then she pulled out these beautiful spoons. Look at how beautiful they are. She has such beautiful pieces, I can't believe it, and such a great sense of style. I just love going to AnnaLee's home. And the peach tea was perfect too. You could drink it fine, as hot or cold. It didn't need a sweetener at all. It was plenty sweet enough naturally. These are the kind of things you need to get yourself in the mood. Yum, yum, perfect peach tea. Well, here is a close-up of this beautiful card that AnnaLee made. Isn't it beautiful, and all the detail work? And as you notice, Debbie was talking about the bow inside. This paper is two-sided. That's why there's two different patterns, and they work so well together. Aren't they wonderful? And look at the earrings, the pearls on the bow, and even the little leaves. Isn't it beautiful? And it looks like a giant flower. Just beautiful. Here's the inside of it, so you could put your own personal message in there. Look how beautiful she has put it all together. Just gorgeous. And here is the beautiful envelope. Look how she finished it off. Isn't it gorgeous? Now I'm going to open it up and let you see how the inside looks. Look how beautiful the inside of that envelope is finished off. Isn't it beautiful? And there is a little Velcro to make sure it closes. See how it all matches the card. Beautiful. I'm sorry the way I shot this. I'm really not happy at all, but I was going to put them up as shorts, and then I decided that I wanted to share with you how beautiful these pieces were in this video. These are things that AnnaLee makes. Are they not beautiful? The delicate paper flowers she puts together, and everything looks so beautiful, and the little pearls and all the beautiful accessories. Everything looks so beautiful. I don't know how she does it. Everything is always perfect, whatever AnnaLee does. Look at the beautiful butterfly and the little pearls going down the center, and the little delicate pieces she puts together. It is a wonderful feast for the eyes, are they not? Both me and my daughter have bought a couple of these in different colors, but we can use in our tablescapes and use them in accessories in the cozy corner. So let us know what you thought of AnnaLee's beautiful artistic creations that she has put together. Everything she does is so beautiful. And remember, you can purchase these if you like. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. She is an awesome creative person and always has something to share. And we always love sharing it with you too. Please let us know what you thought. Leave us a comment in the comments section. And we're going to be doing a lot more videos at AnnaLee's home, and you're going to see a lot more paper projects that her and her husband put together. Glad you enjoyed the video. Hugs and kisses from us.